Hi, it's the fourth week of August. We're headed into fall. So the inventory stayed about the same all month. July went to 1,200. This month of August, we stayed between 990 and 1,003 homes on the market, single family homes. We have 1,300 homes pending, so that's dropped a little bit, but the overall inventory is rising. So there's plenty of choices out there for the buyers. So get out there, find your house. The best time to buy a house is to find the one that you love and buy it. So this year we're having a little bit of, we're headed into fall, and we want to warn everybody to get their heating and air conditioner looked at and their roof, because the second it gets cold, everyone's going to call the heating company and say, come look at my heater, it's broken. And they're also going to say the same thing about the roof. By October, it'll be raining, there'll be drips coming on your head in the bed, and it's best to get your roof turned up now. Give us a call. We have some recommendations to who you could call. We're here with
Kelly Vogel with Golden One Credit Union. That's great information, Kevin.
Yes.
You know, people don't think about that until actually their air is not working or their heat's not working.
or their bed's all wet.
Or their bed's all wet. And we can use the rain though, so I do pray for the rain, right?
Yes.
So I just want to talk a little bit about, again, being prepared. And right now I'm very excited because the last 3 purchases that I've turned in for loan approval, I've gotten back in 24 to 48 hours, which definitely gives the buyers a really sense of feeling comfortable with their loan approval and knowing that we can move forward and cleose on time, or if early. We would always try to go early, although we do have appraisers that are kind of at the mercy of them right now. So once we know that the appraisal is in and back, we will close very quickly. And again, call me to get pre-qualified ahead of time, and we'll be on your way to going and finding a home.
Pretty
with
awesome.
Kevin and Stephanie.
Yeah, we're going to have a great fall. So everybody, batten down the hatches. We're going to find some homes and we're going to move everybody in. I know there's a lot of pent-up demand. So we had open houses with more than 30 groups coming in on Sunday, and probably at least half of them were new to the market. The other half were sort of war victims of losing on offers. And then there was a number of neighbors coming in thinking about selling or upgrading their homes. So any of those questions, feel free to call Kevin and Stephanie at Coldwell Banker.
Have a great week.
Thanks, guys.
Bye now.